Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Julia. Today I'm showing you how to make Balinese sambal matah. This is the ingredient. We have salad, garlic, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, lime, chili, sugar, salt, and shrimp paste. The first, slice the salad. Next step, chop the garlic. Slice the chili. If you want spicy, you can use more chili, but if you don't like spicy, you can use a little bit of chili. The next step, slice the lemongrass. Next, slice the kaffir lime leaf. Heat up the Balinese coconut oil. This oil to make smell good and the taste good. Next step, put salad, garlic, chili, and lemongrass to one bowl. Seasoning with salt, little bit sugar, add the shrimp paste, mix it all. Next, pouring the hot oil. Mix again with spoon. Pouring the lime juice. Add the sliced kaffir lime leaf. Next, mix again. Move the sambal matah to the other bowl. Add the garnish to make beautiful your sambal. And Balinese sambal matah ready to serve.